Using granular ice melt can help during pre- and post-storm operations. Understand your available equipment options, which is determined by the service that is provided as well as the site requirements. There are push spreaders, handheld spreaders, and equipment attachment solutions. While each equipment has calibration and usage requirements per the manufacturer's operation manual, they all use similar chemicals, which means you should be familiar with each chemical safety datasheet and personal protection requirements. Perform equipment inspections, which may consist of looking at wheels and tires, handlebars, adjustment controls, axles, gearboxes, grating, covers, motors, and if it is an attachment, possibly hydraulic oil and electrical wires. Understand how to adjust spreading rates, whether it is controlled by hand or by electronic controls. Know what conditions require specific application rates, and make proper adjustments to equipment. While using equipment and chemicals on site, be aware of surrounding objects such as vehicles, equipment, turf, signage, and lighting, and keep chemicals clear from these areas, as well as operating equipment at safe and controllable speeds. When using hand spreading tools, make sure you adjust the spreading rate to the desired application amount, and wear all necessary PPE during spreading operations to prevent exposure to the adverse conditions and chemical exposure. Apply directly to desired surface, and make sure you adjust your procedures to match the guidelines provided by the manufacturer of the chemical and the tool or equipment.